Good morning, guys. Today we are in beautiful Greece, and more specifically we are on the island of Crete, and we just woke up. It is 9 a.m. and we are getting ready to head to Elafonisi Beach. So this is like the most popular beach, I feel like, or at least it's the one that's been the most recommended to us. Pretty much everyone we've spoken to since we've been here has told us we need to go to this beach, and it looks beautiful, so we're really excited. We have a rental car, and right now I'm just getting ready and doing a little chatting. Not really a morning person, so this is hopefully going to help me wake up a little bit. So basically, we're gonna try and get to the beach as early as possible, and then, you know, explore the beach, fly the drone a bit. Don't mind me. Guilty habit, I can't do coffee, so Red Bull it is. Don't judge me. So good. Okay, so we're gonna be outside all day today. I think I'm gonna put on this SPF. This is a tinted SPF. I did a whole video on this. This is the Isden Photo Aerofitana Ageless Ultralight Emulsion Broad Spectrum SPF 50. This is a 100% mineral sunscreen and it's water resistant for 40 minutes. So I feel like this is the vibe because we're going to the beach, and obviously I'm probably gonna go in the water. So yeah, also I don't have a mirror, which is tragic. Blend her in. The goal is to try to get as much kind of like travel content as possible. I haven't really posted on my travel YouTube channel that much, which I apologize, but you know, we haven't really been going a lot of places. We're just starting up on our traveling again. And also, I have some exciting news. I am working on launching a new blog, and it is all about traveling and just different types of food and what to wear on these trips. So I'm really excited. I've been working really hard on it. I think you guys are gonna really enjoy it. But there's gonna be like lots of restaurant reviews on there, hotel reviews. Basically, it's gonna kind of be like an all-in-one type blog where you can get all of the information you need for specific places. So I'm really excited about that. Okay, so this is just quick, easy beach makeup, but I still want to look cute for, you know, photos and drone footage and all that stuff. So I'm gonna go in with my Honest Beauty. This is just a Bright Eyes tinted eye cream. It just gives you a really nice, subtle, like, coverage. It's not like a full-on concealer, but it definitely still does something. So I do really like this. And this is what I use 9 times out of 10 if I'm like doing stuff during the day and I just don't feel like, you know, committing to a full makeup look. This one is really easy to use, so. And it just blends out like so smoothly. Then I'm gonna add these De-Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops from Drunken Elephant. I actually used this just all over my face yesterday as basically like foundation, except it doesn't really offer any coverage. It more so just adds a tint and like made my face match my neck because I don't self-tan my face. So I'm just gonna add this really to like these areas just to bronze up a bit, add a little dimension to my face. And I really like this. It's really easy to use and work with. It's very blendable, and you can see this just gives like really nice natural color to my face. It doesn't look like I really put any sort of contour or bronzer on my face. It more just looks like, you know, naturally sun-kissed, which is the vibe we're going for. And I got my brows laminated and tinted for this trip, so we don't have to really worry about that. Thank baby Jesus, because that is, I don't know, if you guys have been watching my main channel for a while, you probably would have, well, maybe I'll post this on my main channel, I haven't decided yet. You would have seen my brow catastrophe, probably heard about it on Instagram. Wasn't the best. Okay, so I'm just using a little bit of this e.l.f. Turks and Caicos blush. It's like a really pretty coral. This lighting is amazing. Alright, once all these lines go away in my face from sleeping, I'll look 10 times better. Right now, I'm looking a little crazy. We're gonna have little faux freckles. I'm just taking the pointed end of this brush and dipping it into this dark shade And then just add in a couple little freckles and then buffing them out. I already have freckles here, but my tinted sunscreen has a lot of coverage and it does kind of cover them up. So, you know, it's fine just to, you know, add them back in, a few of them. I don't think I really need to do much to my brows, but maybe just fill in a couple of the sparse areas, but the lift and tint did most of that for me. Brows are done, so I think really all that's left is some mascara, and I'm not sure which one I want to do. I'm crazy, so I brought 4. I think I'm gonna do the Maybelline Sky High Lash Sensational today. I'm gonna finish my makeup off camera and I'll be right back. So I forgot to do a finished makeup look, but here it is. We are currently sitting out kind of like in the square where all of the shops and restaurants are, and we just ordered some brunch, so we're just waiting on that. But it is bustling out today. We're right on the water as well, so I'll give you just a quick little preview of where we are. So we're just gonna eat, and then we are going to head out to Elafonisi Beach and spend a couple hours there, and then maybe come back to this area and just wander around and explore the shops. So I'll meet you guys at the beach. Hey guys, so we are here at Elafonisi Beach, and let me just tell you, it is much better in person. Obviously pictures and videos are amazing, but we actually almost passed this up for a different beach just because we weren't like that wowed by some of the photos we'd seen online, but wow, in person is absolutely stunning. So if you do come to Crete and you are looking for a good beach spot, I definitely recommend coming to Elafonisi. I would also recommend coming maybe later in the afternoon when all the tour buses have picked people up and left. It's not quite as packed here as I anticipated it to be, although it is still pretty busy. Definitely worth the drive.